Yes, so basically your role as a developer is changing a bit from writing, reading code towards specifying what needs to be done and delegating those tasks to agents or sub-agents to do the work. And then you need that knowledge to review this afterwards, or what you want to accept and what you don't want to accept. And I think it's very much changing a little bit your profession a little bit, so shifting a little bit what you are
Exactly, Sila.
doing.
Exactly.
I,
Yeah,
I
this
would
is
I would just
sorry.
add it. Sorry, Pedro. I would just add it on the end that coders, they are death. AI will replace them. There are no place for coders anymore. What everyone needs to understand that now you need to be a problem solver, a software engineer that is a problem solver that understands it all. If you're just expecting the definition of the problem be prepared for you to write, you're not need anymore. AI is there for this. Go ahead, Pedro.
Yeah,
Yes.
I will talk about the thing that Chila said. That is, e- ac- of course, you're leveraging AI to write the code. You're helping it, you're prompting it. But you, at least in my company, you are responsible about your code, right?
Sure.
So there's, I think that it was a good stuff to do because, and then every time you have a PR, you have an engineer that will be the responsible for it. So you are the very first person that will review that code, that will check if it's okay, and that PR is okay to to went through a review, right? Because it's your code, it's your task, right? You're using AI as a tool to execute your task, like better, faster, more code, more documentation, more tests, etc. Uh, but it's your task, and then you need to check your code. Last time we talked about it, someone said in the chat that is, if you're vibe coding, if you're not looking at your code, you are not vibe coding, you are blind coding. So, blind. I use this phrase every time. Thanks for the guy for sending this phrase last time, because this is very, very true. AI, we need to be responsible of the code,